dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nacine. I'm 37. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love clicky clickies. Today I am doing a collaboration with Finding Morgan. Morgan, if you guys haven't followed Morgan yet, please do so. I'll link her channel right here. She's very similar to Ashley over at Krogal, very similar to Erin. Erin does the keto. She's keto, she does grocery hauls, she does recipes, she does vlogs, she does all kinds of stuff, you guys, and I know that you guys are gonna love her. You guys should go show her all the love in the world because I know you guys are gonna love her. We were talking about what kind of collab we wanted to do, and we went back and forth for a little bit, and we landed on our top 5 keto staples. So she's gonna do a video over on her channel talking about the 5 things that she just has to have on keto, and I'm gonna do the 5 things that I can't live without on keto. So it was really hard to narrow it down to 5 things, let me tell you. Like when I was thinking about this, I poured everything onto my table and then I looked at it, I'm like, wait, we said 5. This is like 12. So I had to narrow it down, pull a lot of things away. Now that I'm looking at my little collection here, it's really like scary looking and mostly liquid forms. But these are what I always like to have, and I feel like if you're new to keto and you're starting keto, these are good things to have. Some for transitioning into keto and some as just like a beneficial thing for keto. Number one thing, the most important thing that is a staple for me on keto is my Soleil water. You guys may not, like, you're like, that's an old pop bottle, Nacine, what the heck? Yeah, it is. It's an old pop bottle, and it's like, it looks weird. It's got cloudiness here and old salt here, but you know what? This stuff is a lifesaver. This, all I do is pour pink Himalayan salt, like the thick rocks, which you can get at Big Lots for like $2 for a really big bag. I pour it up to about right here, and then I fill the rest with water. I give it a really good shake, and I let it sit for 24 hours. After that, 1 tablespoon of this is 1,500 milligrams of sodium. This is a very good way to make sure that you do not get the keto flu and that you don't get headaches and all that because your electrolytes are low. This covers your electrolytes. I usually do 2 to 4 of these a day, more depending on how hot it is outside. I actually take this in the morning. I do 2 tablespoons, and then I do a squirt of any flavored Mio drink enhancer, and I drink on that for the first half of the day. When I get home, I do another 2 tablespoons. So I'm taking 4 tablespoons of this a day. This, I've not had the keto flu, no matter how many times I've been in and out of ketosis. I don't test regularly because the strips and the blood strips are expensive, but I don't get the symptoms because I'm keeping track of my stuff. This is a must, and you can make it yourself. Don't use a metal lid. You want to use glass or plastic, and I find that this old pop bottle works just great. I've used this since I started doing it about 3 months ago, and this is an everyday thing. Once it starts getting low, I fill more salt up, more water, and I just go from there. That's my number 1 staple. Number 2 staple is Stevia. Stevia. I'm actually cracking one open. This is my favorite flavor, ginger root beer. It's so delicious, you guys. I love the ginger flavor, and there's no sugar, no artificial sweeteners. It's caffeine free, 0 everything, all the zeros. We love zeros, and it's sweetened with stevia. There's different flavors. I found Stevia early on in my keto journey, and this was a great replacement to help ease into not having pop. When you're so used to drinking pop all the time, this is a great replacement. Sure, you can have Coke Zero and all that, but those are sweetened with aspartame or sucralose, and if you're trying to avoid those because some people can't have that, stevia is a great option. So Stevia is sweetened with stevia, and this is my favorite flavor. Number 3, Parmesan crisps. It doesn't have to be this brand. This is the Aldi brand. You can make your own. You can get the cheese whisk. You can get, there's so many different kinds of cheese crisps. These are a great option. They are 0 carbs, 0. They are, for 12 of them, it's like 100 calories, no carbs. It's like 9 protein, 7 fat. They're perfect. It's cheese. It's cheese, baked cheese. You can make your own. You can put these in a baggie and put them in your purse and bring them to the movies and have a snack instead of eating all those nasty things at the movie theaters. Put some like turkey sticks in there too. That's what I do. I bring Parmesan crisp and turkey sticks. You can put these on salads, you can put them in chilies, you can put them in soups, you can put these in so many things. They are so versatile, they're so delicious. You can snack on them alone. I always have Parmesan crisps or cheddar crisps or whatever, cheese crisps. I always have cheese crisps on my brain. I always have cheese crisps in my pantry. Number 4, pork rinds. I love pork rinds. There's so many different flavors, and I can eat the regular, just original flavor. My favorite is Max. However, today I just have Meyer brand, which is very close in taste to Max. They are 0 carbs. They're an incomplete protein. They're just delicious. Now, this is the hot and spicy kind, and the hot and spicy kind does have added things in it. If you're looking for minimal ingredients, get the original. It's usually just fried pork skins and salt. That should be in your ingredients, and that's it. If you don't mind having other things in your pork rinds, like garlic and spices and some dextrose or maltodextrin, that's when you're gonna start finding it in the hot and spicy. But I like to indulge every once in a while and have some hot and spicy pork rinds. But for the most part, I just stick with the original Max. However, these were on sale 2 for $3, and like I said, I like to have the hot and spicy every once in a while. And my number 5 staple on keto. I literally cannot live my life without. Syrups. Any type of syrup, any brand, as long as it is low carb. I can't live my life without this. This is from Marshall's. It's $3.99. It's a heck of a lot cheaper if you buy it at TJ Maxx, Marshall's, Ross, something like that, than buying it on Amazon. They're like $7 on Amazon, whereas this is only $3.99. This is the pumpkin cheesecake. I have pumpkin cinnamon roll. I have mint chocolate chip. I have pumpkin praline pie. I'm addicted to these, and before I had skinny syrups, I used the Torani syrups, I've used the sugar-free Starbucks syrups, I've used all the syrups. I've come to find out that I like these ones the best because they're sweetened with sucralose, whereas the other ones did have like maltitol and, you know, whatever. But these ones, these are really good. They come in so many different flavors too. There's like hundreds, glazed donut. I'm surprised there's not like a taco one. I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, this is delicious. I use it in shakes, coffees, chaffles, what have you. I use these syrups all the time. Now, if you're super strict keto and you don't want any sort of sweeteners and whatever, then that's fine. But I allow this and I love it. And that was really creepy. That is my top 5 must-have keto staples in my home. Yours are surely different than mine. Morgan's will surely be different than mine as well. These are just things that I love and I need at all times in my home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go make sure you watch Morgan's video. Let her know Nacine sent you. And if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by. Don't forget to go check out my giveaways that I'm having all month long. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.